today I'm going to play Empire Total War, guys, in the new update of the new world. I am Great Britain against Scotland. I have steamed power, and so does Scotland as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm begging. And fire! Well, let's all board their ship, men. Boarding the ship to attack. And whoop. Speed it up a bit. Come on, British, after them, man. Come on, hurry the hell up. I don't have all day. Spread it up a bit now. Getting a bit repetitive now. What's going on here? Drive that boat towards us, Ben. Seriously, I told you to board their ship. Forget it. I'm kidding. Okay, guys, this is probably a bit boring for you now. So I'm just going to end it in